Cut one lemon in 4 parts, put some salt on it, and put it in the middle of the kitchen. This trick will amaze you. Experts consider lemons to be the healthiest fruits on the planet, as they are abundant in minerals, vitamins, and other nutrients, and have potent medicinal properties. They fight germs, viruses, and bacteria, and protect the skin, heart, and hair. Moreover, these fruits enrich the taste of various drinks and recipes. However, not all of you know that lemons can effectively get rid of the bad odors in the kitchen, as well as common germs and bacteria which develop on kitchen surfaces. The following simple trick will help you use these properties of lemons. You should cut the lemon in 4 parts, but not entirely, as they should still be held together. Next, just sprinkle some salt over the lemon and leave it in the kitchen. It will reduce bad odors, and release a pleasant aroma. Also, it will leave the kitchen free of harmful bacteria. On the other hand, you can use lemons to prepare a dye disinfectant which can replace the commercial ones which are loaded with dangerous bacteria. You should take 3 lemons, squeeze the juice out of them, and mix it with some salt and soap. Then, pour the mixture into a bottle of water, and use it to disinfect the house. It will effectively destroy bacteria, germs, and viruses.